Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Blake with U-Haul, and this is the Yakima Ridgeback 4 bike rack. It's available in-store and online at uhaul.com. Let's check out some of its features. So the Yakima Ridgeback 4 is a 4-bike rack. It's also adaptable. It comes with an 1.25" shank and a 2-inch adapter sleeve. The 2-inch adapter sleeve comes factory pre-installed, so right out of the box it comes with it on there. And the Tacoma we're installing it on today has a 2-inch receiver, so we're gonna leave it on there and get started. To get the rack installed, we'll pull the safety pin and grab it by its mast, lining the shank and the receiver. Slide it in until you can get the safety pin inserted into one of the holes. And now we'll go ahead and turn the speed knob clockwise. And you'll notice, while the rack has play right now, turning the speed knob, which is an anti-wobble device, will pull the play out of it. Now the speed knob's nice and tight, you can see there's no play in the receiver. And now we can go ahead and lock it with its same key system key. Gaining access to your storage is easy. Without bikes on it, grab this lever in front of the mast and lower it. Now you have access to your trunk, your tailgate, or your hatchback. Securing the mast back in place is as easy as just lifting it until it clicks. Installing a bike on the rack is easy. Grab this top lever and pull the frame arms into position. Each carrying position can hold up to 40 pounds, but the rack is rated at 150 pounds total. Slide the bike's frame triangle around the arms and let it come to rest, resting its top tube on the frame cradle, and then pull the seat tube cradle into place. Next, secure the frame's top tube with Yakima ZipStrips. Lastly, finishing with the seat tube. Now, if you have other bikes, you'll just put them on an alternating direction. So that's the Yakima Ridgeback 4. It's an affordable bike rack. It's perfect for small families or small groups of riders. It's available in-store or online at uhaul.com. Thanks for joining us, guys.